Good morning, everyone, and welcome if this is your first time here. Welcome back. Nope, that's wrong. Welcome back if this is a return trip for you. My name is April, and this is the Frugal Planner channel. And I know everyone right now is trying to decide what planner they're going to choose for 2026. And I know it's flooding the market with all of these amazing, beautiful, gorgeous pre-printed planners. Now, you may be saying to yourself, I want a pre-printed planner, but I want it to be specific to things that I can do and it'll fit in my life. So I've got a couple of planners this week that I'm going to be showing you. Just some ideas. All of them are from Amazon. Most of the reason I shop on Amazon is because I don't have a Target or a Staples or an Office Max or an Erin Condren. I don't have any of those stores near me. So a lot of times I find things on Amazon. This one is a really good deal. It's a B5 size. It's $5.99. It's a monthly planner and it's a 2-year. Actually, it's a 3-year. 25 through 27. It's got a nice front cover and a thick cover page. You've got your front where it's 25 through 27, monthly calendars, name, city, telephone number, address, and email down below here. Now, I know you're thinking, what are we doing with this, April? We usually make our own layouts. I understand this. However, I will tell you, I have a monthly calendar on Google that I keep up. If I had this calendar, it would be amazing because I would have things in my notebook all year round to refer to. So we go into the next page. It's contacts, holidays for 25, 26, and 27. Now remember, this notebook, this planner is only $5.99, so it's under $6. Here's your plans for 2025. You've got your months, January through December. You can write down your plans. This could be anything from personal, professional, gardening, reading, goals that you want to set for physical fitness, mental health. All of that can go on this page, and that's quite a bit of room. Let me measure that. That is roughly 3 3/4 inches in space by, well, if you go to there, it's about 2 inches. We have a Sunday start calendar. Am I on screen okay with you guys? Ooh, let's scooch that over. Sorry. Sunday start. It looks like we have the previous month and the next month. This is a really good size calendar. If you were going to write in here, these are 1.5 by 1.5. So excellent size calendars. Remember, this is just a monthly. So then we have July 2025. You could move into this today. Well, as soon as it came in the mail, you could move into it because we're in what, September? So July and August, you could either backfill or leave blank, totally fine. You could even tear all the pages if you wanted to, if you didn't want to be bothered by it, whatever you want to do. So you've got your monthly goals here, you've got your to-do list here, and you've got your habit tracker here, and it's got the days up here, 1 through 31. And then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 habits. You've got your monthly review here. It's a dot grid, and I want to say it might be 6. It's not a 5mm. It might be a 6mm. Is that how it? I don't know. It's bigger than a 5mm. And then you've got your summary down here, which is really nice. Ideas for this page. Obviously, we're just going to fill this in, right, and check it off as we do it. Ideas for this page. Little tidbits of what happened during the month. If you're a person that likes to take pictures and print pictures off, you could put pictures in here. Again, it's only $5.99 for the notebook. So whatever you choose to fill it up with is still a good bargain. Again, we've got, the other thing I like about this is it's got this reminder column over here, and then it lists off the weeks. So right now we are in September. So we're at week 37 right now. Today is the 8th. It's the same day I'm filming is going to be my publishing date. Publishing date. That sounds so serious. But yeah, we're on week 37. Oh, it was Grandparents' Day on the 7th. I missed that. Dang it. I didn't even know. Anyway, Patriots Day is this week as well if you're in the United States. So yeah, I really like how this is laid out. I think I'm going to definitely fill this up with birthdays, anniversaries, maybe my bills when they come out, since they're all automatic, and then any changes in my schedule. I really like the layout of this. Paper-wise, it's pretty toothy. I would say it's no thinner than copy paper and definitely no thicker. We're looking at pretty basic but toothy paper. Yeah, I really, really like how this is. And it just continues. It looks the exact same throughout. The only thing I would change for me is that it is a Sunday start. Oh, you guys, I saw something that was way cool. I saw a calendar that was a Saturday start. So instead of having your month start on a Sunday or a Monday, it started on a Saturday. So you had Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's true, because the end of my week is my end of my work week. The beginning of my week is the weekend. Like that's when life begins. So stay tuned on the channel. If you're not subscribed, this might be a good time to do so. I am going to be doing in my regular notebook a Saturday start to the week. And I am so excited for that. Instead of putting Saturday and Sunday at the end of the week, I am going to show you how to make Saturday the beginning of your week. So that is some insight into the channel, what's to come. Again, if you're not subscribed, please consider doing that. And I will be doing some layouts in the layouts. No, it's already laid out. I will be doing some pen to paper in this. I'm going to try pencil and I'm going to try pen. I may love this paper for pencil, and there's not many planners that I love for pencil. This one, the feel of it, I feel like it's going to be really, really nice for a number 2 pencil. Number 2. Wah, ha, ha, ha. Okay, so with that being said, I do have some more planners that I want to show you this week, so stay tuned. And then I do want to show you how to do the Saturday start of your week. So if you're interested in this one, again, it's a B5 size. It's available on Amazon. It is a 25, 26, 27 monthly planner. Did it have any? I forgot to look if it had any notes pages in the back. It does. Okay. Almost stopped too soon. So here's your June 2027. And then we have 25, 26, 27 tracker. This is something I will probably use to mark my paydays so that it's just at a glance I can see them. And then they've got 1, 2, 3. I always feel like the count. 4, 5, and then a blank page. So 5 notes pages. This is actually pretty generous for a monthly notebook. So 5 note pages, a blank page. We've got our thick back page, and then another protector, gold foil, or gold coil, sorry, gold coil. And it does come in other colors. So, all right, I will link, or I'll put the link down below. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this planner and your ideas of how you would use it for a 3-year monthly. I will talk to you soon down in the comments. I love you. I hope you have an awesome Monday. All right, bye.